If you're holding a Pixel 6 or Pixel 6 Pro in your hands right now, Google just delivered some pretty frustrating news. Android 17 QPR2 Beta 1 landed just this week, and hidden inside Google's announcement was a tiny note about the Pixel 6 series reaching its end-of-life cycle. Basically, we were told that neither of these phones will be getting Android 17 QPR2. And honestly, folks, I'm really disappointed to see this. We are literally talking about a matter of weeks between the QPR1 update that's going to be landing in September and the QPR2 update that is scheduled for December. To slice off support right before the Android 17 cycle finishes, it feels like a huge slap in the face to the community that bought into Google's original Tensor hardware vision. So let's talk about why this decision makes so many of us in the Android community angry. You see, the Pixel 6 wasn't just another incremental update. It was the device that kicked off Google's custom silicon era with the Tensor G1. It redefined pixel design, it brought massive camera performance upgrades, and it set the foundation for everything Google is doing today with AI. And performance-wise, the Tensor chip inside the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro is still more than powerful enough to handle Android 17 without breaking a sweat. It's not like the hardware is choking on modern software, and it's not lacking any of the basic RAM requirements either. What makes it sting even more is the messaging the company has been pushing lately. Google constantly talks about sustainability, long-term longevity, and their industry-leading 7-year update commitment for its newer Pixels. But when it comes to the early adopters who paved the way and took a chance on their first-generation Tensor chipset, Google has decided to drop the hammer early. Why leave Pixel 6 owners stranded on Android 17 QPR1 while the rest of the Pixel family moves right along to QPR2 in December, especially considering the Pixel 6a is going to be getting that exact same update? The code is already being compiled for the Tensor architecture, so it just doesn't make any sense. But to be completely fair, it's easy to understand that there is a logical reason why Google is stopping here, even if it feels cold. When the Pixel 6 launched back in October of 2021, Google originally promised only 3 years of major OS upgrades and only 5 years of security patches. But in 2024, the company surprised the community by retroactively extending the Pixel 6 series to receive 5 full years of major OS updates. So when October 2026 rolls around in a couple of months, the Pixel 6 will officially hit its exact 5-year anniversary, and it's going to reach its updated end-of-life cycle. They're still giving us the August security patch, the September Android 17 QPR1 release, and a final October security patch. So legally, Google has fulfilled their promise. In fact, they delivered more operating system updates than the Pixel 6 owners originally paid for. But fulfilling an obligation isn't the same as doing right by your core community. And that brings me to my final plea for the Mountain View tech giant. Android 17 QPR2 is set to be released in December 2026. So we're asking you to finish what you started, Google. Don't cut off your foundational Tensor phone just 2 months before the Android 17 cycle reaches its true polished completion. We think it's fair to give the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro users that one final QPR2 build as a proper send-off update. Show the community that commitment to device longevity isn't just a marketing slide for new hardware, but a philosophy that applies to the phones that got you here. And for everyone else who's watching here today, drop down into the comments section below to share your support. Show Google that there are plenty of Pixel 6 series devices still out there, alive and kicking. And maybe, just maybe, they'll see the response as a signal that these devices deserve the final Android 17 update too.